Hey guys, Manatee Gaming here, and today I've decided to do a subreddit where we're going to do a bunch of things of people being idiots. And I've got a person who wanted to do stuff with me. My mom, who wanted to do these things. I definitely didn't want her to do it or anything, but yeah, she wanted to do it, so I let her do it. So the first one we got is this. Idiot being stuck in a car. Okay, yeah, it's loading. Loading very slowly. Okay, here we go. Regular person. No idea why I did that. Okay, it's not really that funny. It's just...
And he's not stuck in the car.
It said man versus locked out car. Not stuck in a car. I feel like he's going to break the glass.
Oh, he is going to get stuck.
Can't wait to see this.
Oh.
Okay, well, I failed. Okay, now, Mom, did you laugh? No, I don't want to do another video. No, things are breaking. Why? Oh my gosh. Okay, no ads. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the original one. Alright, so that one took a couple of minutes. Boiling water challenge. This one ain't going to be... Oh, there it is. Okay. Idiots everywhere boiling water challenge. I've never heard of the challenge. Okay, so we can't watch that one. Well then, that's nice. I wonder why it was terminated. Okay, hold on. We're going to find a little... Hey guys, we're back. I just had to get a few things that were a little messed up fixed. So now we got this one. Oh no. Okay. Did you laugh?
Yes.
Look at that. He just like, oh no, it's a wild cow. Run! Run! Oh, nope, I see it. Nope. Okay. Okay, so we both felt that one. For sure, I know that. So now we got another. Find your local boot camp. This one's going to be great. Psych camp. Okay, not that one. Although it probably would have been funny. Alright, now we got this one. Child Predator on Skype. Wait, why is there two? I'm gonna click that one. I wonder what this is going to be. Oh, okay, I see. You can like see where he lives and everything. But I don't really see how that's funny, do you?
No, it's disturbing.
Yes. It's disturbing. Okay, well now we're doing a better one. That one wasn't even anything. Okay. Ain't nobody got time for stop signs. ram on this mom. Dang, it feels good to be a gangsta. Gangsters 2. Okay. Gangsters 2, stop sign 0. Okay. Close call with a snapper turtle.
Oh.
Whoop. Okay. You laughed.
I did laugh.
She laughed. Laugh alert.
That was
Laugh
funny.
alert. Stupid people. Do they really do it on purpose? Well, that's not even a video. That's dumb. Okay. Next. Okay. Now this one. Obviously, the cat don't like her. Okay. Okay, not as funny. Okay, here seemed like a good idea. Let's see this. Okay. Animals being jerks.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, I think that's funny because I think it's a cow?
It's a horse.
A horse? Are you sure?
It's a horse.
Look.
It has a rider on it.
Okay,
People
sure.
don't ride cows.
Yes, they do. People ride cows for sure. If like and comment if you think people ride cows, because they do. Okay, now since this is it, that's just given me a better idea to do another Reddit. Since this is a kind of short one, we're going to do another one. So see you guys when. Hey guys, I'm back, and now we got a subreddit called Animals Being Jerks. I got the idea from the last one that said animals being jerks, and I'm like, So I decided, let's look that up, and it did. And so let's click this and see what happens. I didn't do it.
He got caught on the table.
I'm on the table, no. Okay, that one's good.
Not me.
It wasn't me, I didn't do anything. Okay, next. See. Smash thy paper, brethren. Okay. This one's funny. Here it is. Oh, scroll down. There we go. Oh, it's a little parakeet. A little parakeet friend. Hey friends, how you doing? You look weird. Yep. Look at him, he just like extends his foot like, nope.
Well, they put fake parakeets all around him.
He's like,
Look at all of them.
why are all my brothers and sisters not doing anything? Are they dead and standing up? Apparently not. Okay. Headache. Okay. Look at his eyes.
She's biting his face.
Yes. I think he's got a lot of skin, like, in his head area. Okay, that's... Okay, scroll down a bit. Okay, it's fine. It's not like there's any room for you on this sectional couch anyways. Great. Okay, so there's like 4 dogs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I think there's 5 dogs. Okay, so there's 4 or 5 dogs, and they want the couch. They are fighting him for the couch. That's nice. Perfect. Alright. Ooh, guy snuck into a cow pasture and proceeds to harass cows for 20 minutes. Well, that's a dog, not a cow. All while actively ignoring my calls. That's a dog. Look at him. He's a big dog and a smaller dog. Okay, I don't really get that. Is there anything? No. Okay, what about this one? What did I tell you about moving? Don't move. Don't move. Don't. Don't. Good cat. Now just stay there. Lick, 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 lick. Don't move.
You stay still during your bath.
You must not move during the bath. Okay. I just love that. Cat's like, no, no, no. Okay. No sleep. Play now. Okay, let's just back out of that one. Okay, Trash Panda. Ooh, what's this? A trash panda. Is it a panda who eats trash? Oh my gosh!
Oh my
Oh, look at it!
It's so big it can't walk.
Look at the trash panda. It's the trash panda, aka raccoon.
What is he doing?
I don't know.
What was he doing?
That's okay. We need to watch it again.
Is he's trying to sneak up with the cat?
Look at him, he's like wiggle, wiggle.
He's doing an army crawl.
I see you. All right, let's just go. Bam! I've got your butt. That one's a good one. All right, this is going to be the last one. So let's just look at them and all the other spots. So the last seagull had to get creative.
Yeah. Let's do that one.
All right, let's play Spot the Seagull. Oh my God.
He's standing on top of it.
As you can see, that's not how things work. No. Seagulls aren't on top of other seagulls at times. You shouldn't see that. Nope, okay, okay. Well, I guess I'm thinking that concludes our day of looking at whatever those seagulls were doing, don't you?
Yeah, I think it was good.
Okay. Well, guys, I also remember, look at my other videos, especially the one where I play Happy Room. And I'm posting another video tomorrow, so remember to watch that too. Okay, goodbye. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wave your hand.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
They can't see me.
Yeah, I know, but